Super Cat cannot stand up nowhere near me for no stage seminar war. I have to come friendly or just we are perform together. But even say war is one thing I have to tell you. I'm a revolutionary. Ninja man is legendary. Anything will taste me berry. Who don't understand me looking at your dictionary. Hey boy, I'm a revolutionary. People say me legendary. Anything but taste me berry, who no understand me looking at your dictionary. Tell Supercat this. Say anytime we put it on, and no Gucci and no Louis Vuitton. This is something make your body full of corn. And make your paper wanna Roger Clark farm. And that a go on anytime we put it on. And no Clarks and no Louis Vuitton. This is something make your body full of corn. And make your paper wanna Roger Clark farm. Make me tell you say the boy go fi gun. So me go fi mine. Say them a go dopey me a must inna you mind. Me as a blow storm like a category 9. Everybody disappear like imaginary line. No walk where me walk. Ninja man black and ugly and dark. Teddy chopper down to Waltham Park. When me walk yellow tape and crowd up and chalk. New trash broadcast. Hoy, anytime me put it on. And no Clarks and no Louis Vuitton. You remember that you hear? Dead like a 5 and smarty fall. But
Yo, you cannot take this man serious. When he's serious and I kill you, he might make fun of you. Like, yo, this man is so talented. Free up the ninja. Now stop saying it until ninja free. So I have good news to bring for all the Ninja Man fans. Watch this.
According to his attorney, Dancehall's Don Gorgon Ninja Man is reportedly hanging in there ahead of his appearance in the Court of Appeal. Ninja Man, whose given name is Desmond Valentine, was sentenced to life in prison with the possibility of parole after 25 years in November 2017 following the 2009 murder of Ricardo Johnson. During the trial, Valentine seemingly suffered a mild heart attack, casting uncertainty on the completion of the trial. However, after being treated at the Kingston Public Hospital, the DJ was said to be okay. Now, as his court date approaches, Ninja Man's attorney Valerie Nita Robertson says he's mentally well and is being supported by his family. I'm sure the recent release of fellow dancehall heavyweight Vybz Kartel has him super hopeful for his chances.
Well, to all my subscribers who've always commented Free Ninja, continue to comment Free Ninja and put a prayer in for Ninja as well, because his appeal is coming up. So let's see. And he has a very good lawyer, Miss Valerie. Work your magic there. Me now stop shout Free Ninja until Ninja is free.
I'll tell you one thing. You can't take the heat. Don't come in at the blood clot kitchen. And you don't know if you bake bread. Stay far from blood clot home when you hear that. Hello, sir.
Listen, this is the best advice you can give to upcoming so-called bad man. Leave badness alone. You heard it from the front teeth, gold teeth, original blue teeth. Dan Gaga Ninja Man. Stay out of the rotted kitchen. Oh, Free Ninja.
First one of the question them now. Have you ever been involved with somebody in the music industry?
Pure.
A female in the music industry? Any
No.
romantic involvement?
Every woman in the industry, I'm a friend them. I'm a sister them, I'm a co-worker them. When me want involved with the people them for.
How much years do you think Cartel should I get?
Don't ask me that, man. Don't you dare ask me that. Don't you ever ask me that. I'm not the judge to make a decision. The judge making decision is not me, a Try Cartel.
Third question. Is there any dancehall or reggae act you think need to retire?
How me if you tell you that? I'm your God. I'm giving them a career.
If you was going to be stranded on a desert island, tell me 3 things that you'd have bring.
Me nah go on a desert island. Me nah stranded out because me nah go depend on. So that the one wrong. Oh.
Yo, who irritated Gaga before the interview, yeah? A man cross, angry, and miserable.
Ninja man, you are going like you bad. And licking with lyrics make you get mad. Don't test me, you are this little lad. Ninja man, you know you can't test me. You know who me name on TV. The biggest lyricist, Rowan Daly. Ninja man, no, you can't test me.
Rowan Daly. That's when I see man like you come to war. You know what I say? Rowan, listen this carefully. What if maybe set an example then? Stepping on my side 10 but trample them. I tell them me a murder from 1 to 10. You never know the head different from the ankle them. Back and come out and me rifle them. Blood a struggle in a throat and a stifle them. Cup and not a rip it boil when it a poison them. Nothing forensic, no like to them. Move cause bullet a travel from me, not the boy and yam.